Welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra gets major camera upgrades, including the very focal telephoto camera. Yes, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra telephoto features variable zoom and generation 4 optics. Samsung recently announced that the Galaxy S23 line to be released on February 1st. But rumors about the Galaxy S24 line has already emerged on the network. According to the latest report, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with a telephoto camera with 4th generation optics design and an aperture size between 2.5 to 2.9. Galaxy S23 Ultra is supposed to get a new 200 megapixel main camera sensor. Samsung will shift the focus to the telephoto camera next year. At least that's what a leaker claims, who is already given the first detail about the technology. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra combines a 108 megapixel f1.8 main camera sensor with a 1 by the 1.33 inch sensor and a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide angle camera with two telephoto cameras including a 70mm f2.4 camera and a 230mm f4.9 periscope camera, each with a 10 megapixel 1 by the 3.52 inch sensor and optical image stabilization OIS. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is supposed to upgrade the main camera to ISOCELL SP2 200 megapixel sensor. According to the leaker RG Clouds, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is expected to launch in early 2024, will get an advanced generation of lens that will give the periscope telephoto camera a significantly larger aperture of f2.5 to f2.9. This means that this camera cloud would be up to 2 f-stop faster, which means that photos can be taken in low light with a lower sensor sensitivity and thus with less image noise and a larger dynamic range. Additionally, last month LG is not announced a telephoto camera lens that can provide a 4.4 by 2.9x continuous zoom range. It is expected that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will also support similar camera hardware. The tipster also claimed that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra telephoto camera may have a variable zoom function. Samsung is also said to be planning 150x zoom. But like the 100x zoom on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, this can only be achieved in conjunction with digital magnification. It is more exciting that Samsung is supposed to develop a telephoto lens with variable focal length. If the Galaxy S24 Ultra actually gets such a lens, users no longer have to decide between triple and tenfold zoom, but can at least continuously optically zoom in a certain focal length range. Such a zoom lens is also used in the Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV, for example. That's it. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Technology in the Future. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.